On the northwest side of San Antonio, close to the Chavano Park area, lies this masterpiece at 4511 Black Oak Woods. This home has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and is 2,736 square feet. Let's go take a look inside. The moment you enter the home, you notice a dual living room setup separated only by a fireplace. The entire downstairs, with the exception of the front living room, is completely covered in recently updated tile flooring. And the kitchen area is amazingly spacious, with granite countertops and updated appliances. There's also a formal dining room, as well as this huge add-on bonus room with access to the backyard. Let's go check out the upstairs. This amazing master bedroom has built-in cabinetry and a fireplace. The master bathroom has tile flooring and upgraded finishes. All 3 secondary bedrooms are very spacious, and they all come standard with carpet, ceiling fans, and vaulted ceilings. And they all share a full-size bathroom with a double vanity. The backyard has a covered patio leading to this amazing deck with the pool. Absolutely perfect for a backyard retreat. For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what you find on the internet, log on to our website, give us a call, or send us a text. We're always happy to help.